In this session, we are going to discuss capital budgeting. Here, we understand the meaning and definition of capital budgeting, features of investment decision, importance of capital budgeting process, evaluation of investment proposals, and methods of evaluation capital investment proposals. Okay. First of all, we understand the meaning of capital budgeting. All the existing companies are an progressive business firm always move ahead. Its fixed assets and other resources continue to expand or to be maximized. They want to earn more profit. They want to growth and development of their business. So they invested funds into capital items. The capital items like that, land and building, plant and machinery, furnitures and etc. Okay, these are long-term usable assets of the business. The company invests the same and yield a benefits a number of years. It is more than 1 year. In shortly, the process of making long-term investment decision is called a capital budgeting. The next one, features of investment decision. Managerial decisions are making for future. These decisions will provide the result or affecting a business favorably or unfavorably for long-term period, like that more than 1 year, right? And then second point, huge funds are invested in long-term assets. The huge amount are invested in fixed assets. One-time investment given a benefit for a long-time period. The concern, profitability or flourishing of your business depends upon the investment decisions. Okay. The management strategically or carefully to take decision is most important. Why the investment decisions are vary from firm to firm. So which project or proposal is suitable for our business, considering the company is very most important. Let us go to the next. Importance of capital budgeting. Capital budgeting decisions is more important in the business. Large investment. The company invested huge funds into their business. These funds are raised by the firm from various internal and external resources at a substantial cost of capital. If wrong decisions will affect the continuity or survival of the firm. Hence, it is very important for a firm to plan and control its capital expenditure. Then, long-term commitment of investment or funds. The long-term commitment of funds increases the financial risk involved in the investment decisions. Firms' decisions to invest in long-term assets has a decisions influences on the rate and the direction of its growth. And unsound investment decisions may prove to be fatal to the existence of the firm. Hence, a careful planning is essential. The next one, irreversible in nature. Once the decisions for acquiring a permanent asset is taken, it is very difficult to reverse that decisions. When resale of your assets will occur the scrap or loss. Complications of investment decisions. The long-term investment decisions are more complicated in nature. The capital budgeting decisions required at assessment of future events, which are uncertain. Future is uncertain. We can't to predict accurately what changes are there in future. For example, economic changes, financially, and government policies, and etc. So it is a complicated for management decisions, management investment decisions. Long-term effect on profitability. Capital budgeting decisions have a long-term and a significant effect on the profitability of the concern. Is a long-term investment. Okay, it's a long-term period. So at most important to avoid over-investment or under-investment in fixed assets. Yeah, and unwise decisions may affect the business unfavorably. The next point, national importance. Yes, it determines employment opportunities, economic activities, and economic growth of the nations also depends upon the individual firm also. Okay, right. Then, then let us go to the next capital budgeting process. This process has 7 steps. First steps, identification of investment proposals. The business may pursue many goals like profit maximization, reputations, provide quality of the product to the society, rendering service to the society, and etc. So, okay, and survival and profitability of two of the most important objectives of the business firm. Further, cost reduction, replacement, process of product, important, and etc. So, identify the proposals which is essential or so for the business. It's our concern. And then screening the proposals. Screening and the selection procedures should differ from firm to firm, concern to concern. Each proposal is then subjected to a preliminary screening process in order to access. Okay, so whether it is technically feasible, resources required or available, and the expected returns are adequate to compensate for the risk involved, it should be considered. Then, evaluation of various proposals. Some techniques has to be used to evaluate the proposals and select the better one. Then, establishing priorities. After evaluation of various proposals, we should be given the priority of some proposals. Which one is profitable, economical, or agencies, or less risk, and then which one is suitable or appropriate for the our concern. Then final approval. Finally recommended proposals the committee are sent to by top management for approval. Implementing proposals. Implementing the proposals within the stipulated time. And also network techniques like PERT, CPM, and used to control and monitor the implementation of the projects. Okay. The next, the last one, performance review. It is the duty of the top management or executive committee to ensure that funds are spent in accordance with the allocation made in the capital budget. Further, by comparing the actual return from the investment within the anticipated return, that unfavorable variances or if any should be looked into and the causes of the same to be identified so that corrective action may be taken in future. Let us go to the next. Evaluation of investment proposals. Evaluation is essential to select from among the various competitive proposals. Here, various evaluations methods are there. It should be adopted to evaluate the proposals like which is applicable to any conceivable investment project which is suitable according to the nature and the size of the capital investment, right? Okay. Students, here we are discussed meaning of capital budgeting, futures of capital but investment decisions, and importance of capital budgeting process and evaluation of investment proposals. Then next session we are going to discuss the methods of capital budgeting. Thank you.